So in the next exercise that we're going to be taking a look at, we're going to be looking for this thing called a render command component. Now we haven't talked about that just yet, but the idea here is that we're going to be looking for a specific component and searching for an attribute or a property of that component. Right? This is going to be a very powerful, a very useful thing to do as we look at overriding different aspects of Liferay. So in Liferay, when an application is trying to display or render, if we're doing it the Liferay way, we're using these things called MVC render commands. Now Liferay has their own that's already implemented, and maybe we want to override what Liferay is doing. So first we have to find out where exactly this component is located before we can actually override it. So one of the nifty things about the web console or the GoGo shell is that you can use LDAP style filtering. You know, this term and this term but not this term, and so on. And we can use that filtering to look within the specific properties of the OSGI component. So in this exercise, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking for a specific MVC render command that has what we call the action path of /blogs. Basically, we're going to be looking for the property within the component that has the value of /blogs. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. And eventually, once we start overriding aspects of Liferay, we'll then do a recap or a reminder of this aspect here. So let's take a look at that.